This is the continuation video of Python. In this video, we'll discuss about the list data structure. So I have opened the Visual Studio Code and create one file, that is list.ipynb, that is Jupyter file notebook, Jupyter file, and make sure that you have already selected the kernel virtual environment. And now we need to just create code cell. So in this we will discuss about the list. Okay, so what is list? List is ordered collection. List is ordered collection, and also list is mutable. List is mutable. List is ordered collection, and also list is mutable. What does it mean by list is mutable? List is mutable means we can insert into the list, we can delete from the list, means we can append the data into the list. List is mutable. We can able to append the data, remove the data from the list. Okay, and here in Python, the the list can contain any data type, not the previous language. Suppose if you talk about the C sharp, then in C sharp list is generic. Okay, list is a generic collection. Suppose we are creating the list of integer, then we can only store the integer in that list. If we creating the list of string, then we can only store the string data into the that particular list. Okay, whatever data type is used to create the list. If we are creating the list of the uh, custom class, the list of custom class, then we can store only the custom class object, like that we can store in that. Okay, so here in the Python, we can store any type of data in the Python list. Okay, this is a object, just like object type list, we can store anything in this list. Okay, so how to create the list? How to create the list? Suppose we have just create one variable list, or l, whatever the variable that is this is, suppose I have created the variable list, and I have stored list, empty list. Okay, this is empty list, and I'm printing this one, print list. And also I'm checking the type of just print the type of this list, and see what happened. Just shift and enter, press shift and enter, either press shift or enter, or just uh, click on the play button to execute the whatever the code written in this cell. Okay, and this is commented, so this comment line is ignored by the compiler. So just press shift enter, then what happened, the list is empty list. Okay, and the type is list, that is class type. Okay, so you know the and list type, the list is currently empty, that's why no data available in this list. So just I created the list with some data. Suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, like that we have created the list. Now if we print the list, then shift enter, then we get the output 1 2 3 4 5, whatever the data is stored in the list, that we are getting after executing, or by the shift enter, or just press the play button. Okay, just I'm getting this. Suppose I want to know here this list variable exists, so I am written the list, and I just click on the play button, then we are getting the data of that particular list. Okay, and if you want to know the size of the list, just print length. Here the length function is used to know the length of the list, and the pass the list variable here, and just press play button. We are getting the length of the list: 1 2 3 4 5. This list length is 5. Okay, just create one more cell. Just I'm creating the fruits. Okay, and we are creating the list with fruit. Sorry, apple, comma, mango, comma, cherry, comma, kiwi. Like that, we have a list, and I want to just print the list fruits. Just I'm printing the list fruits. We are getting the whatever the fruit available in the list that are printed. Okay, and if want to access one by one, then we have multiple way to access. Just write print and print. Just I'm passing fruits the list name, and we are passing just index is started from 0, so 0 1 2 3, like that we have index. Okay, so I want to get this apple. This we just pass apple index means 0, fruit of 0 index, fruits from the collection fruits. I want to get the data at 0 index. Just run get apple. Okay, and now again we want to get the data mango. Okay, then what we do, mango is at the location at the index 0 1 1, so we need to pass 1, and just press play button, we get the mango. Okay, and suppose I want to modify or append into the list. Currently we have fruits, just shift enter. We have apple, mango, cherry, kiwi in this. Okay, and I want to modify the mango. Okay, so what I will do, fruits, and mango is at the index 0 1. Mango is on the index 0 1. So at one index, from the collection at one index, I want to replace mango with watermelon. So what happened, I have modified the list, and when I'm printing the list now, fruits, then what happened, it will replace the mango with watermelon. Just execute apple, watermelon, cherry, and kiwi. By using this syntax, we can just modify the existing element with another element, like that. Okay, and and suppose I want to add one more elements or in fruit in fruits collection or list, then what we will do, just we need to use function append fruits. This is the list of fruit dot append append what fruit we want to append. Just I want to append just guava. Suppose I want to add guava. Okay, and here just print now after appending guava one more fruits fruit in the fruits list and just printing fruits fruit. Then what happened? Just execute here. One more fruit is added. Append is used to add element at the end. Okay, append function append function is used to add element at the end. Okay, just we are getting the guava. Okay, and if we use append, suppose one appending one more things, just use fruits dot append one more fruit. Currently in the list this we have apple, watermelon, cherry, kiwi, guava, and I want to append one more fruit, that is lychee. Suppose I want to add lychee. Lychee, then it's append. Using the append function, this is appended into the particular list at the end. Okay, so when I print fruit list, print fruits, then what happen? It will append at the end. And suppose I want to append here. After watermelon, I want to add one element, one fruit. Or after apple, I want to add one more fruits. Or from after kiwi, I want to add. Then what will happen? If you use append, then it will add at the end of the list. If you use append function, then it will add at the end in the list. Okay, and you want to, what is the requirement? I want to add whatever location I want a fruit or element wherever I want to add. So here append function will not work. We need to use insert function. Okay, so currently we have the, suppose I printed in list, we have these fruits. Okay, so I want to add fruit in fruit list at some location, then we use insert. If I want to add after watermelon. Okay, after watermelon I want to add, then the index of apple is 0, 1 and the 2. Location 2 want to add some fruits like there is no orange here, so we'll use orange. No, in the list orange is not available, so I will add orange at the location to second index, means 0, 1 here I want to add. So just added, insert at the location at the index. Okay, this is the index and this is the element. Okay, so pass the index and the element wherever you want to insert. Okay, and just print now the fruits collection fruits. Then what we get, just insert play button. Now Orange is place here, orange is inserted here after the watermelon. So you can use insert function to add the element wherever you want to add, or insert the element wherever you want to insert. If you use append function, then it will add at the last of the list, at the end of the list. Okay, and using insert, if you can add anywhere in the list. Okay, this is the insert function. Now suppose I want to slice the list. Here I have used fruits, just fruit. Just use one column like that. I will tell each and everything what I am writing, like double 2. So what it will print? Currently in the list we have these elements. Okay, in the fruits collection we have these elements. One means it is start from the index 1. 0 1, it start printing from the index 1, means from watermelon, and colon means at the end. So first we'll print start from the watermelon to at the end, and here 1 colon 3 means it start from the index 1, and it will print till the 3 index, means 0 1 2 3. From here this will print watermelon, orange and cherry. Okay, and here 1 colon means it start from 1 index and at the end. Okay, it will print at the end also, and it will this one start from the 1 watermelon and it will print uh, from the index 2. 2 means it start from 1. 0 1 start from 1, and it will skip one element. This orange skip, cherry will print. Okay, this will is skip, means here if 2, then one element is skip, if 3, then two element is skip, like that. And here print all, and here print all. This means print double colon means print all. Skip one means one by one it will print. Print all. 2 means one is skipped. Apple, orange, kiwi, lychee, like that. Double colons means print all, and after the double colon this means skip how many uh, element is skipped. Less than 1 means if 2, then one element is skipped, and 1 means no element is skipped, 0 element is skipped. Means double colon means print all, but skip 1 means 0 element skip, so it will print all. And 2 means 2 minus 1 means 1 element skip, print all with skip 1 element. So all means all, skip in 1 element. Apple and watermelon skip, orange, like that it will print. Okay. Colon, if one colon it is start from one index. First one is telling the index, it is start from this index 0 1, one index, and till the end. Colon means till the end. Okay, this will start from index 1 till 3, index 3. This will also tell the index 3, like that. A colon means all. It start from one and all. It start from one and skip one element. In double colon case, second one after double colon is skip step. Okay, and in this number of element, single colon means after executing, you can understand this comprehension. No, not comprehension. This is slicing of the uh, list. Okay, so one by one you can use and understand the concept what it will it's printing. Okay, so I have tried the wrong spelling. Fruits, this is fruits, not fruit. Okay, now just print here 1. It will start from the index 1, 0 1. So from here it's started until the end. Colon means till the end. Lychee. Okay, and here what happened is it start from 1. It start from 1. Index watermelon it started, and orange means 3 element. 1 2 3 means 3 means 0 1 2 3. Orange. Okay, and 1 colon 1, it's start from 1 index, and colon 1 at the end. 1 colon 2 mean it will skip one element. Watermelon, after the watermelon just cherry and guava, like that. One step is and what does it mean? Double colon 1 means this means all the element with nothing to be skipped, so printed all. And here what does it mean? Print all with one skip element. So apple, orange, kiwi, lychee, like that. And what does it mean by this one? uh, it is start from the this one, and orange 3 means start 1 2 3. Okay, it start from 1, start from 1 but till 3. Till 3 means 1 2 3. Okay, so it will print orange. Okay, I think you understand the slicing. This is slicing. This is slicing. Okay, you can use the slicing to print whatever you want. Okay. You know the insert, you know the append, you know the slicing, you know the modify the list. Okay, create the list, different element in the list. Now just check. Suppose I want to, now we'll see list comprehension. List comprehension. What does it mean by list comprehension? Suppose we have a fruit list. Fruits. Sprint. We have these many fruits. Okay. These many fruits we have. Comprehension means, suppose I want to use for loop. I want to use for loop element in fruits, fruits colon print e. Then what happened? It will print all the fruits. In another way, how can use in the comprehension means I can replace this one like that. I use for loop element in fruits, fruits. Okay, we are getting here fruit is the collection of fruits. Fruits is the collection of fruit. We are iterating this fruit collection and one by one element is coming here in e. Just print e here. When we run, then we are getting the fruit list. Okay, if we are getting, just we can get the list here, collection here. Okay, using the comprehension we can get like that. Okay, just suppose we have list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, like that we have a list. Okay, and I want to use this list or traverse this list using for loop I in list. Okay, and just colon and print I. Then we are getting one by one like that. Okay, one by one element we are getting in the same list. Just I have these list. Okay, and this element I want to get with index in list. Just I want to get with index. Then what we will do, using list comprehension, we use just this is the syntax. First is expression, after that just we use for loop I in list. First I will see like that, for I in list. I want to get the index number. So suppose we have this list of integer, and in this integer we have many elements. Okay, we have these elements 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want to get the element with the index. Then what we will do, for I in list, I is index and E is element. Suppose in for loop I have used, this is a syntax. First one is index, and second one is element in a list, and colon I want to print just index equal to I and element equal to E. Okay, just I want to print. If I execute this one, that it will print this hard coded value ei like that. So I will use f to format this to get the I value here dynamically. So I will use print and before double quote I have f, use f. This is the format to get evaluated the curly braces variable. Okay, and here to get index with element. Now if we don't require this I, then this list will one by one iterated and element is passed here. Okay, so in this case I have used one more thing. I means I want to get the index of the element also. I want to get, and element is by default getting without anything. So one extra things index I want. So we don't get like that. So we use enumerate function. Enumerate function at the list. Enumerate. Enumerate. This is the enumerate function to get index and element at a time from the list. We use enumerate function at the collection. So we'll get index as well as element. We are getting both the things, and I'm printing index as I and element E. So just hit enter. We are getting index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and we are getting the element like that. Okay. So you can use this syntax to get index as well as element from the list. Okay, one more example I want to give. In list we have suppose these element. Okay, okay, I want to traverse the list using for loop I in list. Okay, so we are getting one by one element from list to I variable. So first I will get I, then 2, then 3, one by one. It's iterated. Okay, and that element I want to pass here. I here. Okay, then I'm getting one by one element here from the list. Okay, so what I will do, I'm getting like that. One by one element I'm getting here to here like that. Okay, so if I want to apply some calculation, then also we can do. Suppose from this loop I am getting the data from the list in I variable one by one, and I want to apply some condition after the loop. I want to apply the condition I modulo 2 equal to 0. Then that means whatever the value is coming in I, that will check here. If that is even, then it will printed here. Okay, and that list is passed. Even list is passed here, and I can print the even underscore list can print here. One by one from the list, one by one element is iterating and coming here. When this condition is fulfilled, then this this data is coming and making the list collection, and that list is passed here and that list is printed here. What happened? Okay, what happened? List, we have the list, second list we have. Okay, for e in list. Now we are getting, okay, here we have printed e and we are getting the value here. Okay, and now here I am applying the condition e modulo 2 equal to 0. Then what happened? The condition is not invalid as syntax. Why it's giving invalid syntax? Suppose we have list. This is giving, okay, and suppose I getting L here and I'm printing L, and what happened? It will print, okay, no problem. And suppose I want to apply the square of whatever the element is coming one by one, and that will have the square, and that list is maintained in a that printed, then it's also managed, it's working. Suppose in list we have one by one element is coming. Suppose one is coming, one square 1, then 2 is getting 2 square 4, like that we made the list and just printing the list. Here it's working fine, but the condition is not okay. Condition will also work, but I missed condition. Okay, so this will also you can do. And what I'm doing in next cell, just here, just remove this one from the list. One by one is iterating. Currently the list have this element. Now I want to just print what is in the list. Just cut and just print the list first. What have the list? This have these things in the list. So code, just paste. In the list we have these elements. One by one list is iterated and come here. One by one list is iterated and come here in E, that E is printed and list is made. Okay, now what I will do, just I if E modulo 2 equal 0, that means first from the list element 1 is coming here, E, in E is coming. Now E is checked here. E modulo 2. If divide by 2, E is divided by 2, means 1 is divided by 2, and divide by 2 means the remainder is 0. Then that is the even number. If the divide by 2, that means remainder is 0, then that is the even element, even things. So it will create the list of even. Okay, so list from the list one by one element is coming, and here checking the number is even or not. If the number is even, if this condition is satisfied, then come here in the E and make an array of the even list. This is the even list and I have printed the even list. So what we will do, what we get, 2, 4, 6, 8, we are getting even data. If I use just 1 or not equal to 0, not equal to 0, we are getting odd numbers. Okay, so in one line from the list, just you find the even and odd into the list. Into one line we can do this. Okay, so like that you can also use, the first thing is the expression, and second thing is the array, and third one is the condition, and make the element according to the element array according to the condition. And loop is just for iterating the element from the collection, and at the each and every element the condition is applied, that is third one statement. And if the condition is satisfied, then it's come here one by one and make the list. Okay, the list is made. That's why I have used this, and this list is made. And you can also one more function use. Suppose currently I have used list, and in this list we have these many elements. Okay, so I want to clear the list, so just list dot clear, to clear, use clear function to clear the list. The list is now clear. When we print the list, then we are getting empty list. Okay, I think the video is too long, so that's why we need to stop here. And I think we are everything is covered in the list part. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss the data structure regarding set. The list is I think the list is done. Okay, so in next video we'll discuss about the set data structure. Okay, you can practice these examples and let me know if anything. Okay, that's all. Thank you.